Given the superior shock absorption characteristics of Action Floor Systems Pro Action Thrust and Flex Sports Floor Systems, they are the ideal choice for high-performance applications such as premium basketball or volleyball venues. The Pro Action Thrust system features the dual durometer Pro Action pads that provide excellent shock absorption, superior ball bounce, and they can be engineered to meet your performance expectations. Action Floor Systems Pro Action Thrust and Pro Action Flex Floor Systems are the first and only standard plywood floating systems that are DIN certified and FIBA approved. These systems provide the safety and performance factors desirable for young athletes while using standard plywood system construction methods, full 4 foot by 8 foot by 15 32nd or 12 millimeter plywood sheets. The system is not compromised by kerfing or the use of lighter weight materials in its construction. The Pro Action Thrust system features the 3/4 inch or 19 millimeter dual durometer, dual stage Plastisol Pro Action pads. First, the concrete slab is to be covered with 6 mil polyethylene vapor barrier, lapping edges, and sealed. Dual durometer Pro Action pads shall be attached to the underside of the first layer of plywood. Place the first layer of plywood diagonal or perpendicular to the intended direction of the finished flooring. Tack the second layer of plywood without pads at a 45-degree angle to the intended direction of the finished flooring. Allow approximately 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters between plywood panels at sides and ends, taking care to ensure that no joint in the second layer of plywood shall coincide with a joint in the first layer. Plywood layers are to be secured with a minimum of 32 1-inch or 25 millimeter cleats or 15 to 16 gauge staples per sheet, 12 inches or 305 millimeters on center. Machine nail strip flooring into second layer of plywood parallel to the long dimension of the area. Allow for adequate expansion at regular intervals across the floor during installation according to the recommendations of the local Action Floor Systems flooring contractor. Provide 2-inch or 51 millimeter expansion voids at perimeters and all vertical obstructions. Install vent cove base over perimeter voids and metal thresholds at doorways.